I was very pleased to see the film today because the one thing that occurred to me was that it hasn't dated.
It's quite indescribable to see this film after so many decades on the large screen.
सब कुछ पुराना वापस आ गया
आज भी वही हो रहा है ना? आपको नहीं लगता कहानी यही चल रही है दुनिया में? एग्जैक्ट स्केल चेंज हो गया है.
This is a very, very special moment for the entire team of Manthan, myself, my family, myself, for my mother.
Wow, Manthan. We were very privileged to be here today.
It's lovely.
I like the film very much.
I think it's wonderful. I'm very, very happy that I could see this movie being restored and made again.
It's fantastic. I must have seen this movie for n number of times.
And just to see her was just completely delightful.
The restoration was obviously superb. I can't believe what we've just gone through.
Really a great piece of work and motivated all of us